If you're the one to choose, who you've got? A good set of mind or a memorized one? Hello guys, this is Vance and you are watching Maki Me channel. For this video, we're gonna be sharing you the possible movement in Dama or checkers. But before that, if you want to learn more about Dama, just click the subscribe button below and also turn on the notification bell so that I will get you updates for my latest videos. Also, if you want more videos after this video, just tap on the I button above or the card that will redirect you to my playlist. Oh guys, so without further explanation, let's start the tutorial. So this movement guys is a sequence, in sequence. So in order to form the sequence, to have a better explanation and a better possibility, and so that you can understand well, so we will start from the corner. So next upload, we will use this piece but going to another direction like that. So right now guys, our direction is from G3 going to H4. So that's our first possibility movement right there. So the option of the our option right here, we have lots of option as you can see, but where do you think is the best option now to go? So the best option now to go guys is to go from F6 and letting be captured going to G5. So that's a good option in order to take advantage. So the opponent will capture your piece naturally. In this situation right here, where do you think will be captured? To G5 or to E5? Where do you think? Think of it. So for me guys, and I know most of you thinks that it is really good option to go to E5, to capture to E5. Why? Because we are trying to control the center, and the center is the best part of this game checkers. Because if you control the center, you may control the whole base of the opponent. So as you consider guys, the opponent is now struggling. The opponent has so many options, but the problem here is that he doesn't know. It takes time for him to think about it. So the next movement from the opponent is to support this area, because as you can see, this area right here is open up wide. So the next movement from the opponent is to use this piece from F2 going to G3. So that's the problem there guys, because they are very wrong in that position. So as you can see, we will just let this piece from E5 be captured going to F4. So the option of the opponent is same in any direction. So the opponent will capture, we capture back, then the opponent also capture, and we capture back again. We capture back once again. So as you can see there guys, we will not further explain this one, and we will not further show some possibility for this one, because we are now already controlling the game, because we, as you can see, we have now an advantage as at F4, because everything the opponent will move, for example going from E1 to F2 to capture this one right here at F4, we have lot of support right there. As you can see, we have lot of support. That's pretty simple guys, and I know you can really do it at your every game you had. And this is the first possibility we had, and the next time I will upload another possibility to easily memorize and win the game. So from my first question at the beginning, the answer is both of them, both of those options are really good. So the first option that I said is good mindset. It is very good to play at a good mindset, especially if the opponent is not going to is not following your direction in the one that you have been memorized. So if the opponent is going your way, For example, the one you have memorized in the possibility movement is what the opponent really do, then you can easily defeat the opponent with this one. So the two is very good in playing Dama. A good mindset and a good memorization and a good thinking, critical thinking. Guys, thank you very much for watching the video. I hope you will learn a lot from this video tutorial right here. And this is a first possibility movement that I will compile. And please don't forget to visit my playlist in order for you to view all the possible movement in order to memorize the game easily and to win the game fastly. Okay guys, so please don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell in order to get the latest updates of my newly uploaded videos. And also, in order to support me, don't forget to share and like this video. Thank you very much guys, and have a good day ahead.